Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chimwa Spiritual. As you all know, if you're a return subscribers or if you're a new subscriber, you are highly welcome. Okay, now this thing I want to say is a very natural something that you will get. I've said it like 2 to 3 times here on my channel. Yes, it's called miracle leaf. Some call it leaf of life. Either you call it otobopo in Igbo language. I don't know any other name they used to call it. You are going to get it as you are seeing on the screen. I'm not with it with my hand. You know, when you don't have any item, you can paste this thing on your screen so that your viewers will understand the kind of thing that you're talking about. Maybe by next time, because I've been looking for the leaf these days. I don't know, maybe because of dry season. I'm not seeing. I've not seen. I'm looking for it, although I locate. But okay, let's not go to. As you are seeing on the screen now, get this miracle leaf. Get your alligator pepper. Yes, you're going to get alligator pepper too. But if you already get your alligator pepper, leave it there. But if you know your alligator pepper is a new one, from your back, bring the alligator pepper back. You open it now. I don't open it now. If you want good thing, you want to, it's like commanding something, you want good thing to come to you. For example, if someone is owing you money, or if someone promised you something and you want that thing to come quickly, you want that thing to happen. Maybe you are sleeping, you are dreaming, you want it to come. If you're a man, brings 9 alligator pepper with that one miracle leaf, which is leaf of life. You put it inside. If someone promised you money, you put it inside and you put it in your mouth and start showing it. If you want this thing to work for you, do it in the morning before you eat. Yes, bring that your alligator pepper, put that, chew all of them together. As you are chewing this thing, you'll be declaring what you want. Call the name of that person that promised you something. I'm talking about if someone promised you something. Call the name of that person that promised you something while chewing that miracle leaf with your 9 seeds of alligator pepper. This is for male. Then as for the female, get 7 seeds of alligator pepper, put it, and you will chew it with your faith. Yes, with faith. Don't just go and bring a miracle leaf and alligator pepper and put this person said, oh, let me just do it, let me just try it. You have to do it with faith. But before any of the spiritual work we are saying is faith. They are giving someone money to do something for you. Is that person's faith that he has that this thing is going to work? That is the faith he's using to do that work for you. But you don't know you yourself. You can use your hand to do it. You can use your hand to deliver yourself. You don't know, because there is power in the tongue. You see this spit, there is power. There is a very deep power in tongue, and the spit that is coming out from your mouth, which goes to your mindset, which goes to your belief, which goes to removing away doubt. If you want to do a spiritual work, first of all, remove doubt. Believe that this is going to work so that it will work for you. People are complaining why God already give us the natural things that we are supposed to do, that we give. Everything is just here, just that for you to know how to use it. All these things you are seeing will not just wake up and know. It's a process. It's something that we learn and we practice. It has been in ages, for a very long time, even before me and you were born, even before our forefather was born, great grandmother was born. This has been existing. It's just that for you to know. Now let's go back to our main topic. Now I'm done with, if someone promises you something, 7 male, 9 female, 7. Chew it and you call that person's name. After calling that person's name and you are chew it, then you swallow the water and you spit away this that you spit it away 4 times. That 4 times means 4 market days. Front, east, south, west. You spit it away. Believe it will work. There is no how you have belief after doing this it will not work for you. It's impossible. It's definitely going to work for you. Yes. And if it works for you, come back to this video. If maybe this is where you saw it, come back and testify. Come back and say, yes, thank you for what you bring to us, the title you bring for us. Like I said, I'm in this kitchen making this video. It's because of noise. I don't have noise reducer, and I know you may be hearing some noise. I've tried my best, but just manage it like that. Now, if someone is owing you money, how are you going to do it? It's the same alligator pepper with that your miracle leaf, which is leaf of called the leaf of life. Now someone is owing you money, right? Okay, make sure that person is owing you money. Make sure that person is owing you money before you can be able to do this. And if someone promised you something, make sure that person that promised you something have. Let it not just be like maybe you and that person is joking. If you just promise you something and you go and start doing something that you know that you are better than that person, you have to be confirmed what you are doing before you start, so that you not backfire you. Those side not tell you. Someone is owing you money. Now you're going to bring a pen, a blue pen, normal biro. You write that person's name that is owing you that money. You have been drawing that money, you have been drawing that person that money, and it's not putting an effort to pay you that your money. You write that person's name there 7 times. Write it very tiny 7 times. Then you pour your alligator pepper inside with that leaf of life. You start to chew it. Talk! Come and pay me my money. It's not a part I borrowed you money. I didn't do bad. It's a good something. And now you have the money, don't want to pay me back. Please come and pay me my money. Don't say any bad words. What you want is your money back, because you know that person has it now. All you want is what? Your money. Do it morning, especially do it in the morning. Believe is going to work. That's what they call leaf of life. Miracle leaf. It's a leaf that that leaf don't die. If you pluck that leaf, if you keep it anywhere you keep it, it will start germinating, it will start growing again. You know, they die. That is a very powerful leaf. Some people even drink it for them for medical, for yourself, to heal some sicknesses. That's why some compound, when you come, you will see miracle leaf, they'll plant it there like a flower. Yes, even though you do not, even ordinary keeping miracle leaf in your compound, is you see how things will be. You can get miracle leaf, you can plant it and keep it. Just bring a jar like this, for example, a jar, put the miracle leaf inside, be pouring water, then it will germinate on its own. It will what? Germinate on its own. It will grow. Even though you keep it in the fridge 1 month, it will stay there. Then tell me why you want to use it now to do your own personal work. Tell me how it's going to work. Tell me how it's not going to work for you. It's impossible with your belief. With your belief, with just miracle leaf, it's work differently and marvelous. Yes, I've liked saying this miracle leaf topic because I use it. The very first video I used last year, I used this thing. After using it, I didn't make a video of it. I'm not lying you. I was like, that is why I continue saying it. I've said like maybe this is the 4th time or the 3rd times now I'm talking about miracle leaf. There is one leaf again now I'm going to talk. As I say leaf, I mean to say yes. They also have do as I say leaf, very tiny leaf like that. It's used to work perfectly. So guys, if you know you have watched this video till now, please click on that subscribe button to subscribe and support me on this my channel. I will end here. Shalom.